Hey guys, I just wanted to go over like a few minutes regarding my challenges as far as getting money, capital money when you want to trade. As far as, so I mean, say you were a really good trader. I mean, you're in the 65 to 70% winning streak range, and you want to get capital. Where would you go? So I mean, you could go to traditional banks, which make it really difficult. They'll probably laugh you out of there. Um, GoFundMe, you can try. Kickstarter, I tried with Kickstarter and it was rejected. Anything to do with trading and that kind of wealth management, banks backing you, even though you're have the skills to do it, they don't want to lend you the funds, but they'll give you a loan for your house, but they won't for that, which is the same. It's an asset to asset, but I guess if you live in the other one, it's more stable. But they didn't tell everybody in 2008 that that wasn't really the case. Those are some of the things as far as that goes. And like as you can see, I look at some. Um, like I can show you. I mean, for say this is my winning record as far as that, 65%. And I totally stopped in January. Just got so too crazy going on, and I stopped. Um, there's some as far as these I've looked at. iParenting Fund. Um, there's a few others. I'll make a follow-up video. I just can't think of them off the top of my head. But most of them are related to doing with forex, and I don't see the difference. If you're good at stocks, I mean, you probably should have the skills to be forex related. But I mean, they give you more leverage at forex, so I don't see why they would more lend you out more money if it's riskier. It never makes any sense. That's just because they want you to lose. Basically, they give you more leverage to kick you out. I've had that problem before. Even with Scottrade, it was fine, but you go to Interact Brokers, they double up the leverage, throw you out as professional, and it's just too much power in your hands, and you'll lose it. The same with. So if you know, if you went to somebody that gave you the capital to get started, just put it in the comments. I'd like to hear about that, or what your strategies are for rebuilding with a smaller account if the other options aren't available. So leave your comments below on that too. And you could throw in, if you're successful as a prop trader, that's great information too. But there's really a huge capital requirement for that to even get started, and most people don't have it. Even if you have it, it's. I mean, I've been in cases where I definitely had it, and but you're just giving the that $5,000 or whatever just for them to hold on to it as like a note of faith that you're gonna be good and all. And if you blow out your account, then um, you can lose that $5,000 and all the rest of your stuff. So those are the some of them. I don't know many because they're all forex related. I mean, you could do a Google search and find some of them. Like, let me do one right here. As far as that goes, um, let me type in funds, and I can tell you the ones that I'm talking about. Um, see. Yeah, there's some of them here. I had some of them bookmarked. Let me go to them. Yeah, the capital requirement, like I'm saying with the GoFundMe or any of those, YourCaring.com, if you try it as somebody that's doing stocks, they're going to instantly reject you as far as that. So let me put that here. And why not? Let me search stock market, get funding. Not stock market, because that's the problem. There aren't any of them. The one I told you about was one, and yeah, market traders. There's just a few that just suck you into it. How Forex traders get funding, which is, it's crazy. That's somehow they can do it, but if you trade stocks, you can't. They're all weird names. But what I'll do, I'll go through and I'll list them all. And yeah, I mean, maybe that is the case. Maybe it's just better to trade Forex instead. But yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll go ahead and list them all for you guys. To give you an idea, and I'll make a follow-up video for that. Because there are some, but then you pretty much have to be somebody in a hedge fund or something. Yeah, there's not many. So what I'll do, I'll make a follow-up video on this, and I'll list the ones that I know on the bottom. There's a few that are pretty well known, but some reason they just dropped off the search. But I won't keep it too long. I'm gonna post this and post the ones that I know, and I'll make the follow-up video on the others. Alright, and you have a good rest of the day, and take care.